Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Margex crypto application on your Android device. To download the Margex application, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your Google Play Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom right hand corner and go to the search bar at the top. Type in Margex in the search box. Look for this application that says Margex up to 100 times leverage and then tap on the install button to download the application on your Android phone. Margex is a cryptocurrency trading platform that offers users the ability to trade digital assets with leverage. It has a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and robust security features. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the Margex application on your Android device right away. So there you have it. That's how you easily install the Margex mobile app on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.